What if AI could understand your world through your eyes, could understand your world, could understand your world, could understand your world through AR glasses, where physical, augmented, and virtual reality all come together in a single space? Over the past decade, AI has dramatically changed how we experience the internet. Today, it's also helping us to do things in the real world too. An egocentric perception. These tasks provide a common objective for researchers. They'll lay the groundwork to build the augmented reality and robotic systems of the future. Systems of the future. Systems of the future. Systems of the future.